Sup, we're back in the video, guys. I'm Rail Fan Landon. Here's Hamilton, Northwestern right now. Here's Hamilton, Northwestern right now. There might be a special load on this, but we'll find out and wait and see. Is lumber cars with railroad ties? If not, then maybe they didn't get it today. Here's one now. There is lots of tankers. Here we go. Lots and lots of tankers for Hamilton. He's probably gonna set some off and interchange drive side, and we'll find out though. Holy moly! Yes. Say that's a lot of cars. It's a lot of tankers for Hamilton. Need it though. And 2 center beam lumber cars. I'm saying that right. Full railroad ties. Here we go. Here he is. 2 center beam lumber cars. Here we go. Both cars today, big train. Drop those off at Fillmore and return trip probably. We'll drop them off yet tonight. Anyway, pretty cool. CXX lumber car, you don't see that here too often. Huge railroad ties, a mixed variety of brand new railroad ties. Right there it is, and there it goes. 12 freight cars. There's and there it goes. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Rail Fan Landon out.